Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start inside Shortcuts. Open the shortcut to change its app action now. Tap the existing action that launches an app or add a new Open App action from the Action Library. Once done, tap the App field to reveal your installed apps. You're doing this because switching the target app alters where the shortcut sends output and how variables are handled. Make sure to note any input types like text, URLs, or shortcuts variables before you swap the app so you preserve expected behavior. Now choose the replacement app and configure its settings. You'll search and tap the app, then adjust options. Set URL schemes, choose whether to pass text, files, or a URL and map variables accordingly. Once selected, edit any subsequent actions that expect specific output. Change get details, convert, or wait actions as needed. You do this because apps handle inputs differently. Correcting these connections prevents errors. Make incremental tests by running the shortcut after each change to catch problems early. Finish by running the shortcut end-to-end and watching what happens. You'll observe whether the new app receives the expected input, prompts for permissions, or returns results. If something breaks, recheck input types, update variable mappings, and confirm the app supports the action you used. Make sure to grant permission requests in settings. If issues persist, revert to the prior app or break the workflow into two simpler shortcuts to isolate the fault. That single troubleshooting step fixes most integration failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.